This video is all about personas. So what are personas? Personas are a fictitious representation of a customer or group of stakeholders. They can look something like this. So why use personas? Personas are essentially a modeling technique where you can anticipate or validate the outcome before it actually happens. Try and think of it like an Excel model. For example, you might create an Excel model for a different investment portfolio, and you would model this to see how it will perform in different economic environments. With personas, instead of modeling numbers, we're modeling how someone might respond to a product, feature, or experience. For example, how would Sally respond to the new live chat feature we're considering for our product? A persona can help to remove your cognitive bias, focus on value to the user, and align stakeholders on who the user is. This allows us to test or model a solution or idea against a user in a quick, cheap, and easy way. The user that we know all about from our research, which leads us to personas should be created after we've already done some research. And when I say research, I mean things such as user interviews, surveys, data analysis, anything that gives us insight and basis for what we're working with. Personas should bring to life the findings and insights you've found through your research. There's no one hard and fast way you should present a persona, but there are some things which are generally included, such as a picture to generate an emotive response, age, gender, and financial situation to have an understanding of who they are, and then some characteristic traits, such as goals, frustrations, and overall personality traits. So when should you use personas? Personas are something that can be used at all levels, from a key group of users or stakeholders in your project, the basis of a project itself, or could be organization-wide for their target market or segment. Next time you're working on a project, give personas a try and see if they give you a greater level of insight or empathy to your user. If you have any questions, comments, suggestions, or times where you've used this, chuck them down in the comments and let's have a chat.